Ow! Ow. It's kind of hard to see through the window, though.
At least our other trees block by the house pretty much.
Wow.
This tree should be open.
Jim's car is so bad. Is it bad out there?
No, I just saw them running down the side of our house.
Oh my goodness, look how many are back there behind all the houses. There's like a mountain behind Jim's house. Yeah? But it's like there's a dust devil behind his house basically. They're all like swirling.
Yeah.
Look. That was all in his backyard a second ago. Our tree.
They've all cleared out from his house, from his car, because of the wind.
Well, between our house there's like a dust devil. It's swirling.
Yeah,
Whoa.
I feel bad for anyone who's outside right now.
Yeah, this is not a good time to go hiking. This is really bad.
I think Elliot's scared.
Are you okay, Elliot? You've never seen anything like this, have you, buddy? I've never seen anything like this. What do you think, Elliot?
Mama?
Yeah, what? Oh, yeah, there's stuff flying in the air. Elliot's pointing like trash flying above our houses. Elliot's pointing to all the trash blowing around like above our houses. It's like, where did they even come from? Oh, now they're regretting not having any covers on their windows. Look, their window wells are stuffed.
Okay, you got a bite.
Wow.
Is that yummy?